OMEX stock analysis. Should you buy or wait? I'm answering this in the short 1 minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in mentors and courses in 5 years of my time and finally figured out what's making me money and what's not. When I say this, I have 40,000 videos on my YouTube channel, more than anyone else in this space. And previously, not only have I actually just called this beautiful bullish idea and it actually delivered, pulling back, the only thing that will matter to me was a confirmation, which I never got. That's why I had this waiting sign here. Unfortunate part is that it actually never quite happened. No sweat, because technically this whole thing is a big range, and this demand zone can still 100% be used in order for me to continue to take things up. But unless I see that confirmation, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to take things further up, right? No way. So yeah, that's at least how OMEX is looking like. Without that confirmation, me buying just not going to be the way. And all I'll keep doing in the meantime is I'll just keep waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making part of 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.